Hi friends, my name is Anneshwi. I am going to talk about possibilities of life in Europa. First, I would like to tell why I selected Europa moon instead of Jupiter. Because my point of view is to live in a new world when its surface, then only we can research more about it. Jupiter has no surface, so I selected Europa. What is Europa? Europa is one of the 79 moons of Jupiter. Europa is frozen icy world and it is a unique object in our solar system. Europa is one of the sixth closest moon of Jupiter. It is the sixth largest moon in our solar system. Europa is also one of the brightest moon in our solar system. Features of Europa. Europa thought to have an iron core, a rocky mantle and ocean of salty water, but the water lies 10 to 15 miles below the icy surface. Europa has only 10 atmosphere with trace of oxygen. Orbital period of Europa is 3.5 days. So the length of day in Europa is 3.5 days. Mass of Europa is about 65% of Earth's moon. Europa is tidally locked to Jupiter, so its one hemisphere always faces the Jupiter planet. Europa's gravity is only about 13% of Earth's gravity. Facts that supports possibilities of living in Europa. Before we talk about the facts, we just need to know what are the basic things we need to live on new world. Land, oxygen, water, food and shelter. Positive features that supports life in Europa. Europa is made of silicate rocks and ice. Europa have a trace amount of oxygen. Europa have salty ocean under its surface. These are the main things we are searching in all the planets, even though the level of oxygen is minimal and the water is salty and the water level is very deep, but their presence increases our hope to live in Europa. Negative features: it has high radiation, it has thin atmosphere. Europa's gravity is lesser than Earth's gravity, so walking on Europa is similar to walking on Earth's moon. Things required to make human colonization in Europa. The first and foremost thing is to protect from high radiation. It will kill the humans, so we have to make special protective suits and protected domes to live in Europa. We have to increase the oxygen level. We can also produce oxygen by splitting carbon dioxide. Europa is believed to have carbon, nitrogen, hydrogen, phosphorus and sulfur. Due to its high radiation and salty water, these are the main things which supports life. So in Europa we can produce fuels and energy for our daily life. We can purify the salty water and we can easily use for our daily life, because Europa believed to have more water like Earth. Next main thing is food. We can grow food in space farming method. We can use rover and special spacecraft for traveling in Europa. Thank you.